universities are around? All?
I think yes.
All right.
Still American University. Miss Rose. Miss Rose, are you here?
I am here.
Yes. How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Good to see you too.
Thank you very much. Yeah.
The role of UI GreenMetric University rankings as a benchmark tool for institutions of higher education towards a sustainable campus.
Here we developed a new concept. This concept, we called it sustainability circles. It was adapted from the well-known Japanese sustainability quality circles concept. The main idea of this is that we have certain sustainability tracks. For every track, we have a leader, and this leader work together with people in a voluntarily way, representing students, employees, and faculty members, led by that expert or leader. The goal is to identify the problems, find solutions, and continuously improve. This concept, it was published in a conference, IEEE. I can provide you with all the, let's say, what has been written about this concept and how to implement it, how to organize it, and so on. The source is available upon request, of course. Here, as we can see, we have different tracks. Every track is considered as a circle. We have awareness, food, waste management, water, research, transportation, energy, and others. They work in a voluntarily way, identify problems and discuss them, and then find good solutions. Also, the most important thing is the students. So we established 2 clubs, sustainability clubs at the university level. And as you can see, we have for the male and female students clubs. They have their own meeting. Here, just the names of the sustainability circles. We have now 30 sustainability circles. Every circle is led by a leader, and it has its members. I will not go through the details of this, but it is available at the website. All of them are linked to the 17th SDG goals, sustainability goals, and they cover also other aspects. Even the animals, we have a circle which is taking care of the animal at the campus. So the details you can see at the website. You can see the rest of the circles, 30 circles. All of them are working all the time with all these their missions. People with disability, for example, English, editing and publication. So it covers everything in the university. Here.
Good morning, everyone, ladies and gentlemen. On behalf of Khalifa University of Science and Technology, I would like to thank you for the initiatives and being a part of this workshop. I'm glad to be here today and sharing our journey even. It's a sustainability journey at Khalifa University. Well, when I started preparing for this.
Okay, good morning, everybody. Thank you very much for hosting us and allowing us to present our experience at Rochester Institute of Technology, Dubai, about our sustainability efforts and especially on waste management at RIT Dubai. This presentation is prepared by myself and by my colleague Adolphe from the Mechanical Engineering Department. So we'll be talking about the sustainability, we'll be talking about waste management, and we'll be talking about the DSOA, the Dubai Silicon Oasis Authority strategies, big picture, because RIT Dubai is part of the Dubai Silicon Oasis for information. And we kind of go hand in hand in all our strategies in many fronts. To start with, RIT Dubai was established in 2008 as part of the global initiative of RIT Rochester.
Okay, so thank you again for this sessions and for organizing the workshop. I've really enjoyed the sessions that I've heard so far, so many thanks. Dr. Naima is not here today, so I will be presenting. But just to introduce the topic, really what we tried to do is promote some kind of research initiative that's related to environmental sustainability on our campus. And we worked with a few students and tried to develop a club which not only helps students become more aware of environmental issues around the campus, but as well as getting them engaged in some form of research. So you're gonna see some of that in this presentation. So it's much more small scale than some of the presentations that have been put forth so far. But what we wanted to do is get students as involved as possible in these types of initiatives.
So I wanted to start with a quick overview of the university. American University of Sharjah is a independent, non-profit co-educational institution. We are modeled after the American liberal arts education, and we look at that with, we focus on liberal arts and professional education studies. In thinking about the overview, I've kind of covered three different topics here. The built environment. AUS's campus is about 128 hectares, and we have 160,000 square meters of academic buildings. So that does not include our 18 male and female dorms or the over 400 faculty housing that we have on campus. That's just the academic footprint. For students, for the last academic year, 19 to 20, we had almost 4,700 undergraduate students. We had about 400 graduate students. AUS has 4 colleges or schools. We have the College of Arts and Science, the College of Engineering, the School of Business, and the Architecture, Arts, and Design College. And our students represent 89 nationalities. So we are one of the, based on the ranking of the Times Higher Education, we're one of the most diverse universities in the world. For faculty and staff, we have, last year we had almost 360 faculty, of which 82% of those faculty had their PhDs, and they range from 49 nationalities. And then we have almost 1,000 staff. We have 930 staff. So that'll give you, kind of gives you a bit of an overview of AUS.
So before I go into the decathlon, this is an image of the decathlon side competition. I'll explain it in a few moments. I would like to mention that although, as you read, my main interest in research are in sustainability and green buildings, my PhD is actually about university and campus design. So in terms of this workshop, actually, I have some, my own insight.
It happened earlier, hopefully it will not happen again. Anyway, I was talking about ADU practices when it comes to transportation and how to attain that sustainability element that's dependent on the element of the component of transportation. And in the introduction, I was just saying that